Imagine floating 250 miles above the Earth, where even the simplest tasks become a challenge. Yes, we're talking about the International Space Station, where even going to the toilet is a science. So how do cosmonauts answer nature's call in zero gravity? The space toilet, a marvel of engineering, uses airflow to compensate for the lack of gravity. It's a precise process, where aim matters and a secure connection is vital for success. No water flush here, just a strong vacuum that whisks away the waste to a separate container. Maintenance is also a carefully choreographed routine. It involves changing out containers and cleaning, ensuring the system remains sanitary and functional. Not exactly the most glamorous job, but an essential one in the realm of space travel. And yes, it's true. In space, nothing goes to waste, not even urine. Through a process of distillation and filtration, urine is converted back into drinking water. It's a closed-loop system, ensuring every drop counts. So, while it may sound a bit out there, remember, in space, necessity is the mother of invention. And when it comes to the call of nature, even the stars aren't the limit.